Eggless super soft fluffy dinner rolls. Today we are making soft fluffy eggless dinner rolls. Beautifully golden, super tender and made without any egg wash. If you love homemade bread, you'll definitely enjoy this recipe. They are perfect for breakfast, dinner or snacking. These rolls are buttery, pillowy and fluffy, melt in your mouth. The recipe is so easy with simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Well, let's get to the kitchen. I'll start by pouring 1 cup of warm milk into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 sachet of instant yeast. Next, add 3 tablespoons of melted margarine. You can use butter if you have. I'm using margarine. Mix everything together. Now add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, no need of sifting. Half teaspoon of salt. If you are using unsalted butter, you can use 1 teaspoon. My margarine is salted. Mix using spatula until the dough begins to form. Adding my flour into addition, you can add yours all at once. Once your dough has formed, transfer it into the worktop. I don't want to add more flour into my dough. I'm going to use oil. Apply a little oil on the worktop and on your palm too. And transfer the dough over the worktop. This oil will help the dough not to stick. Our dough is a little bit sticky and you want it to remain like that. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes soft, smooth and slightly sticky. Good kneading is the key to fluffy tender rolls. Hey lovelies, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to another amazing video. If you're coming across my video for the first time, feel most welcome, and if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing for more amazing recipes like this. Click the notification bell so that you will never miss my new video, and like this video, share and comment, and watch the video up to the end if you really want to know how this thing is put together. Don't miss each and every step. Place the dough in a grease bowl. Ensure both sides is covered with oil. Then cover with a plastic wrap and a kitchen towel. This will help the dough to rise faster, and let it rise for about 25 to 30 minutes or until it double the size, and this timing will depend on your climate. Once risen, gently punch it down to release the air, and at this point don't knead the dough again. Dust your worktop with a little flour, then transfer your dough into a dusted worktop. Then divide your dough into 2 sections, or rather, you can just go ahead and divide it into your desired sizes. Just ensure they are equal. You can as well use a weighing scale to get the even sizes. I'm going to eyeball mine, and this dough can give you up to 10 to 12 rolls depending with the size you want. I'm going for a medium size, not very small, and shape each one into a smooth ball. Ensure it's nicely tucked like that and set aside. So we're going to continue with the rest until all our dough balls are nicely shaped. Once done, arrange the dough balls on a greased baking tray. Place them, leaving a little space between them. Cover with a plastic wrap and a kitchen towel again, and allow them to rise again for about 20 to 25 minutes until they become puffy and airy. And my rolls are sprued for the second time. Before baking, brush the top with milk. This gives the rolls a gentle golden color without using any egg wash. Since we didn't use egg, there's no need of using egg wash, and milk also does a wonderful job. And this recipe is ideal for those people who don't take egg. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they turn softly golden on top. And as soon as they come out of the oven, brush them with butter or margarine to keep the rolls soft, shiny, and irresistibly fluffy. And just look at that, perfectly stuffed eggless dinner rolls or bun, perfect for breakfast, dinner, or snacking. These rolls are delicious, I tell you. They are light, buttery, airy, and all made with love. Give this recipe a try and enjoy freshly baked rolls anytime at home. I hope to see you in my next happy baking.